Now we are going to see about the standard 5th, unit 3, continents of the world. You know the continents. How many continents are there, There are 7 continents. So here in the 7 continents only, we are going to discuss the key features of each continent. So continents of the world, we are going to see the key features of each continent. So ஒவ்வொரு கான்டினெண்ட்டை பற்றியும் இதில் நம்ம படிக்க போகிறோம். Key features of each continent. And know about some countries. Know about some countries in each continent. Each continent. Okay. So, introduction. Where do we all live? We all live on the earth. So, earth is our home. The total land on the earth is formed of 7 continents of various sizes. So, the total land of the earth is covered by the 7 continents and each one varies in the various sizes. Some are connected to each other while others are not. Over continents are connected, some of the other continents are not. Each continent has different number of countries. Over continent different number of countries. So, over continent pola another continent is not the same. So, the 7 continents of the world. What are the 7 continents of the world? Are Asia. You might have already studied this, no? Africa. Okay. North America. Then South America. North America. South America. Then Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay, these are the 7 continents of the world. So from the lower classes you might have studied these continents. Now we are going to, these are the continents. So you might have by the world map கேளுங்க. World map கேட்டிங்கன்னா they will give this. So each continent will give one color. Okay, you should not give the green and yellow or brown. You should not use the colors yellow, green and brown for the map. So you can use the other colors, that is pink, orange, blue, violet. Then what are the remaining colors? You can use red also you can use. Okay. So oceans, 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean and Southern Ocean. So all the 5 oceans are there and then 7 continents. Okay. So here first we are going to see about the Asia. So Asia is the world's largest continent. So we are going to see one by one the continents of the world. First one is Asia. So this is the largest continent in the size and population. This is the largest continent in size and population. The world's 2 most populous countries. These are the 2 most populous countries, China and India. China and India are the populous countries. Most populous countries. Populous countries. This is the largest in size. Largest in size. Asia is the largest in size and also in population also. Okay. So and this one is the China and India is the most populous countries. The Mount Everest, which is in the Himalayas, is the highest point on the earth. Mount Everest is the highest point and it is located in Asia. Asia is the birthplace of the great ancient civilization. So the Asia country in the பழங்காலத்து civilization ஆரம்பிச்சது. What are the civilizations? Indus civilization, Chinese civilization and Mesopotamian civilization. So Mount Everest Himalayas that is in India is the highest point on the earth. And then located in Asia and it's the birthplace of the ancient civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Chinese civilization and Mesopotamian civilization. So the Great Wall of China is the only man-made structure that can be seen from the face. The Great Wall of China is made by the man only. And Himalayas and Great Wall of China. And millions of years ago, 7 continents of the world were joined together as a single huge landmass called Pangaea. So millions of years ago, 7 continents சேர்ந்து singular இருந்தது. That is, the landmass is known as the Pangaea. But it slowly broke apart and separated as 7 continents. So அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த ஒன்றா இருந்த அந்த 7 continents ஒரு huge land mass மாதிரி இருந்த தனித்தனியாக பிரிஞ்சு தான் 7 continents இந்த வேர்ல்டாக மாறிச்சு. Some other countries in Asian continent are Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan, Maldives, Philippines, Afghanistan, Thailand and Indonesia. Now let us learn more about our country, which is the part of Asia. So in the countries, these are the other countries in the Asia. So first we are going to see about the India. So first is the India. India is our country, you know, India is our country. So it is known for the, so in the first நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது India. So India is our country. Even on the pledge கூட நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் India is our country. It is known as the land of unity and diversity, as people from different religions, languages, cultures and live together. So இந்தியாவில் தான் different types of people, அவங்களுடைய culture, languages and diversity, everything is different, just living in India. And India has 28 states. So நம்ம இந்தியாவில் 28 states and 9 union territories. So India has, it has 28 states, okay, 28 states and 9 union territories, 9 union territories. So this and all you can learn more about from the higher classes. 9 union territories. And New Delhi is the capital of India. Which is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. This is the capital of India. Okay, New Delhi is the capital. And India has several historical monuments. நம்ம இந்தியாவில் நிறைய மான்யூமெண்ட்ஸ்னால் சிற்பங்கள், ஓவியங்கள், அந்த காலத்தில் இருக்கிற மான்யூமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே நம்மளுக்கு இந்தியா இஸ் ஹேவிங் த எவ்ரிதிங். Okay. And Taj Mahal is the one such monument. So Taj Mahal is just one of the monument. It is situated on the Agra, on the bank of the river Yamuna. So Taj Mahal is one of the monument. So it is situated in Agra on the bank of the river Yamuna, Nadikarayoram banks of the river Yamuna. And it's built completely using the white marble stone. It's built with the white marble stones. And this is the most beautiful monument, is recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the world. So உலக அதிசயங்கள் 7 சொல்லுவாங்க. And one of the wonders வந்து this Taj Mahal. See here Taj Mahal, some of the monuments they given. Taj Mahal they given Sanchi Stupa, Gangaikonda Cholapuram and St. George Fort. So these are the monuments built by the previous civilization people. And other historic moments are here Gateway of India and India Gate. Other historical moments in India include India Gate in Delhi and Sanchi Stupa near Bhopal and Gateway of India in Mumbai, St. Fort George and Gangaikonda Cholapuram in Tamil Nadu. So மீதி other monuments எங்கே இருக்குது? India Gate வந்து டெல்லியில் இருக்குது and Sanchi Stupa is near the Bhopal and Gateway of India in Mumbai and St. George Fort in Gangaikonda Cholapuram in Tamil Nadu. So these are the monuments that have been in India. And Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. This is about the Asia. And the Asia நம்ம இந்தியாவை பற்றி பார்த்தோம். Now we are going to see about the Africa. So Africa is the second largest continent. First largest continent is Asia. This is the second largest continent. It is the second largest continent of the world. So the world's longest river was the Nile and the world's largest desert Sahara. Longest river is Nile. Longest river was the Nile and largest desert. Largest desert Sahara. Okay, so this is the longest river Nile and the largest river Sahara. Both are situated in Africa. and more than 50% of the world gold and diamond come from mineral rich continent of Africa. So Africa la nare gold mines and diamond mines are there. They are minerals on the mineral rich continent in Africa. So 50% from again the gold and diamonds are coming. And some of the countries in African continent enna countries Sudan, Libya, Egypt, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Ethiopia and Guinea. These are the some of the African countries. See, this is the Sahara Desert is the largest desert and river Nile is the longest river in the world. This is the largest desert in the world. The continent was uninhabitable. That is, in the continent uninhabitable. It is not fit for the habitation and remained unknown for thousands of years, earning the name Dark Continent. So, it remained unknown for 1,000 years. 1,000 years it is known as the Dark Continent. Okay. So, this is about the Africa. So, Africa is the second largest continent in the world and the world longest river is Nile and largest desert is Sahara. And more than 50% of the world's gold and diamond come from this mineral rich continent from Africa. And some of the countries in Sudan, Libya, Egypt, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Ethiopia and Guinea. And Sahara Desert and the Nile River is there and the continent was uninhabitable, that is not fit for the habitation. It remained unknown for the 1,000 years and it is known as the Africa is known as the Dark Continent. Okay, which is the Dark Continent? Africa is the Dark Continent. Okay. Africa is the Dark Continent. And now we are going to see the next one. North America. The third one is North America. North America is entirely within the northern hemisphere. This is the third largest continent. This is the third largest continent in the world. And following Asia and Africa. First Asia, after Africa, and now this is the North America. The largest freshwater lake, Lake Superior, is located in the continent. So, largest freshwater lake, that is the largest freshwater lake is Lake Superior. So, largest desert pathum, largest river, longest river path, largest freshwater lake and the Lake Superior. This is in North America. The Mississippi and Missouri is the fourth longest river in the world. Mississippi and Missouri is the fourth longest river in the world. That is in North America. The world's largest mountain range Rockies are located in North America. So, Mississippi largest, fourth longest river. Longest river வந்து fourth longest river Mississippi and Missouri. This is in North America. Mississippi and Missouri. This is in North America. And the world's largest mountain range. Largest mountain range is largest mountain range is Rockies. Largest mountain range is Rockies in North America. Some of the countries in North America are Canada, Mexico, Nicaragua, Honduras, Cuba, Guatemala, Panama, Costa Rica and United States of America. These are the North American, some of the countries in North America, that is Canada, Mexico, Nicaragua, Honduras, Cuba, Guatemala, Panama, Costa Rica and United States of America. So here New York, this is America, this is the Statue of the Liberty, and Ottawa, it's in Canada. And North America is the only continent in the world that has all types of climate. So this is the only one continent which has the all type of the climate is here. Okay, this is North America. And next one is the South America. Next one is South America. So, South America is located mostly in the southern hemisphere and a small portion of the northern hemisphere. So, South America, this is in the map, this is the North America, South America. So, this is Asia patache, and then now Africa patache. Now, North America finished, and now South America is the small continent. This is the in North America oda compare பண்ணும்போது this is the small portion of the northern hemisphere. Amazon is the largest river. So Amazon is the largest river in South America, largest river. Not only the largest river but also the second longest river in the world. Second longest river in the world, this Amazon. Okay, yeah, largest river illama as well as the second longest river in the world, that is the Amazon river. And then it is flowing in South America. Brazil, a country in South America, is one of the largest coffee producer. Brazil is in South America, one of the largest coffee producer in the world. So coffee producer. So Brazil is the coffee அதிகமா இருக்குது in the world, coffee produce பண்றது. Can you understand? And then the Andes are the world's longest continuous mountain ranges located in South America. Andes is the longest mountain range. அது எங்க இருக்கு? The world longest continuous mountain range, that is the Andes. All this in South America. Okay, then Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak in the Andes. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak. This is the highest peak in the Andes. One of the highest volcano, Mount Cotopaxi, is the highest volcano. So this is also Cotopaxi is the another highest volcanoes of the world. Mount Cotopaxi is the highest volcano of the world. So all this you can learn, children. Okay, highest volcano of the world. And then some of the countries in South America continent are Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay and Venezuela. So some of the countries in South America is Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay and Venezuela. So this is the Andes mountain, and this is the Mount Cotopaxi, that is, I told you, highest volcano of the world. This is the Mount Cotopaxi. The Amazon rainforest covers most of the Amazon basins in South America. So South America is located in the southern hemisphere, and it's a small portion of the northern hemisphere. Amazon river is the largest river, not only the largest river but also the second longest river in the world. And Brazil, which is in South America, that is the largest coffee producer in the world. And the Andes mountain is the world's longest continuous mountain ranges. And Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak. And Mount Cotopaxi is the highest volcano of the world. And some of the countries in South America, Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay and Venezuela. So these are the continents, one by one we are seeing. And other continents are also there. Some of the Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Antarctica, Europe, Australia, that also we'll see one by one. And the remaining exercises also. Okay, so learn this, what all we are having, children. So finish this and learn the country's name correctly. Pronounce the word, however you pronounce this, you pronounce it properly, children. Okay,